Welcome back to Luxology. Today we step into a world where rail travel is no longer just transportation but an experience, carved from pure indulgence, engineering brilliance and timeless elegance. Imagine a train that does not rush through the landscape, but glides through it like a moving palace, where every kilometer feels like a curated luxury experience rather than a journey. This is not an ordinary train. This is the Imperial Prestige Express, an ultra-luxury rail palace designed for those who believe that travel itself should be as extraordinary as the destination. From the moment you arrive at the private terminal, the experience feels different. There are no crowded platforms, no noise of rushed commuters, no ordinary ticket counters. Instead, a discreet luxury lounge welcomes you with soft golden lighting, polished marble floors, and staff dressed in refined uniforms that reflect old-world royal hospitality. Your journey begins not when the train moves, but when you are treated like royalty long before you even step on board. A personal concierge escorts you through a private boarding passage where the exterior of the Imperial Prestige Express reveals itself slowly like a masterpiece unveiling. The train is long, elegant, and sculpted with a modern interpretation of classic royal rail design. Its exterior is a blend of deep imperial blue, brushed gold accents, and reflective glass that mirrors the world it passes through. It does not look like transport. It looks like a moving monument of prestige. As you step inside, the atmosphere changes instantly. The interior is silent, not empty, but refined, as if every sound has been softened by design. The floors are finished in hand-polished hardwood with subtle lighting embedded along the edges. Walls are decorated with handcrafted wood panels, soft leather textures, and artistic details inspired by royal European and Asian palaces. Every carriage feels like a private suite in a five-star hotel, but with the added magic of motion. Your suite on the Imperial Prestige Express is not just a seat or a cabin. It is a fully private residence on rails. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows stretch across the entire side, offering uninterrupted views of mountains, valleys, rivers, and cities as they pass by like living paintings. The glass is specially engineered to reduce glare and enhance color depth, making every sunset look like it was designed just for you. Inside the suite, comfort is redefined. A king-sized adjustable bed sits beside a lounge area designed for both relaxation and entertainment. The lighting is fully customizable, shifting from warm golden tones to soft moonlit shades depending on your mood. A private entertainment wall offers cinema-level viewing with noise-free surround sound that makes you forget you are on a moving train. Every detail is engineered for silence, softness, and serenity. The bathroom is equally impressive, designed more like a luxury spa than a train compartment. A glass rain shower with ambient lighting, marble finishes, and premium amenities gives the feeling of a high-end resort. Heated floors add comfort during colder journeys through mountain regions, and every fixture is polished to perfection, reflecting the train's obsession with detail. But the Imperial Prestige Express is not just about private suites. It is about shared luxury spaces that feel exclusive and intimate. The dining carriage is a masterpiece of culinary elegance. Tables are set with fine porcelain, crystal glassware, and soft linen textures. Chefs on board prepare gourmet dishes inspired by global cuisines, blending local ingredients from regions the train passes through. Each meal is served as a multi-course experience, paired with carefully selected wines and beverages that elevate the journey into fine dining at 100 kilometers per hour. There is also a lounge carriage designed like a royal club. Deep leather sofas, soft jazz music, and warm ambient lighting create an atmosphere of calm sophistication. Passengers can socialize, read, or simply watch the world outside through wide panoramic windows. A library section offers curated books, digital archives, and quiet corners for reflection. Every space is designed to respect privacy while encouraging subtle connection. One of the most breathtaking features of the Imperial Prestige Express is its observation dome. This glass roof carriage allows passengers to look directly at the sky while the train moves through landscapes below. Whether it is the golden sunrise over rolling hills or a star-filled, night-crossing remote countryside, the experience feels almost unreal. The dome transforms travel into something cinematic, something emotional, something unforgettable. The service on board is seamless and invisible in the best possible way. Staff anticipate needs before they are spoken. Fresh towels appear without request. Refreshments are offered at just the right moment, and every interaction feels natural, never intrusive. It is hospitality refined to its highest form, where presence is felt but interruption is never experienced. As the Imperial Prestige Express travels through different regions, the scenery outside becomes part of the luxury itself. Snow-covered peaks, green valleys, golden deserts, and glowing city skylines all pass like chapters in a visual story. The train is not just moving through geography. It is connecting worlds, cultures, and experiences in a continuous flow of elegance. At night, the train transforms once again. Exterior lights glow softly like a moving constellation, and inside the suites, warm lighting and silence create a cocoon of comfort. The rhythmic motion of the train becomes almost meditative, a gentle reminder that luxury is not only about excess, but about peace, space, and time. The Imperial Prestige Express is more than a train. It is a statement about what travel can become when imagination meets precision. It redefines rail journeys not as a means to an end, but as an experience worthy of its own destination. Every detail, from the texture of the seats to the silence of the corridors, is crafted to elevate perception itself. And as the journey continues, one truth becomes clear. On the Imperial Prestige Express, you are not simply moving across land. You are traveling through a world where elegance has been engineered, where time slows down, and where every moment is designed to be remembered long after the journey ends. Thank you for traveling with Luxology.